Hello from Shanghai, this is Holden. Today I'm going to take you on an apartment tour. Right now I'm in the city center. Here is Jing'an Temple. Yeah, go take a look. The apartment is just 4 metro stops from here. Now let's hop on the metro and see how long the commute will take. Okay, right now it's 34 and I'm already in the metro station. There is a security check. You always got a security check in China. We need to drop our bags. Okay. And then use the QR code to take the metro. Okay. Line 2. We are going to take the line 2. Let's see how long will the train arrive. It says 2 minutes. Right now I'm in the Jian Temple and I'm going to the Winning Road. So it's 4 metro stops. 10 seconds left. The train is arriving. Okay, let's get into the train. So it takes about 18 minutes for the metro. It includes the waiting time. First glance out of the metro, here is Winning Road metro station. Now let's walk to the apartment. I'm going to buy a bottle of water. Here is a convenience store. Let me check. So it's just a bottle of water and the price for other drinks. Let's pay for it. Okay, it's done. This water costs near 2 yuan. Very affordable. Let's go to the community. We are going to the building 29. Building 29. Alright, here is building 29. Let's get in. We are on the 3rd floor. Of course, we could use the stair, but I prefer the elevator. In Shanghai, we always have a lot of advertisement in the elevator. Okay, we arrived. Let's open it. Whoa. I have to say this living room is huge. And there is a giant floor-to-ceiling window. I love this balcony. The washing machine is in the balcony. Outside is the view for the community. Wow. I have to see, this apartment is completely in another level. Here is a long sofa. I think this sofa is available for 6 people. It has 6 pillows. And a giant TV. And this side is the dinner room. We have a dinner table for 4 people or 6 people. And the kitchen is a bread kitchen. That is a fridge. It's brand new, so we don't open it. And we have 2 gas stoves. I think that is the oven. Yeah. And this is the dishwasher. And a lot of storage for the kitchen. The sink. Also has a view for the community. Okay, now let's see the bedroom. That is a smaller bedroom. The mattress is already here, but the bed is still on the way. Okay. Now let's check another bedroom. That is the main bedroom. The main bedroom has its own bathroom. Yeah, we have the shower and the toilet. It's a Japanese toilet. It's just opening it itself. And a mirror, a sink. Now the bed. Yeah, it's a king size bed. Very soft. And the wardrobe. The central air condition. And by the way, we also have the floor heating. So it's very comfortable. Okay, now let's see the public bathroom. Here is a public bathroom. Oh, yeah, it's just opening. We have a bath tube and a shower, 3 mirrors, and a sink. Okay. The price for this one is about 23,000 RMB per month. It's about $3,300 US per month. Quite expensive, but you are paying for the decoration and the location. It's quite unusual to see a floor-to-ceiling window like this. Okay, now let's go. Right now I'm going to the next one. Here is the metro station. Okay, we arrived at the community. A lot of community in Shanghai has security guards like this. We have a lot of trees in this community. Okay, that is the outside for the building 2. Alright, that is the second apartment. So here is the living room. We have a sofa and a television. It's a big living room. And here is a balcony. The washing machine. And that is a special machine for hanging your clothes. I think this machine only exists in China. Here is a view for the outside. And let's see the bathroom. We have a bath tube, a shower, mirror, and a toilet. Okay, now the bedroom. This was originally a king-size bed. We just removed the mattress. We will change a new mattress. And the wardrobe. The view for the outside. Now let's check the kitchen. We have 2 gas stoves, a sink, and many storage for the kitchen, and the fridge. Okay. The price for this apartment is about 10,000 RMB per month. It's about $1,500 US per month. So those are apartments for today. They are in the same location, but with very different price and layout. If you're planning to live in Shanghai, I show more videos about renting and daily life in the city. Feel free to subscribe if this is helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.